Hello everyone, Paul Huber here for Nissan of Cool Springs. Thanks so much for dropping by to check out our video today. I would like to welcome all of our crossover and SUV shoppers today. We hope that you find this video is helpful in the search for your next vehicle. Today we're looking at a pre-owned 2017 Nissan Pathfinder Platinum. This like-new crossover is a one-owner vehicle with a clean Carfax and just 7,600 miles, and it's still under factory warranty. It is absolutely full-featured and has lots to offer, such as this beige interior with heated and cooled front bucket seats and second row seating that's heated as well. Now, we can't forget to mention, as we saw, it has a dual moonroof assembly. Now, let's look up front. We see that it has a Bose Premium Audio System, plus a long list of electronics and convenience and safety items as well. Those features include separate rear controls for heating and air conditioning, as well as SiriusXM radio and Bluetooth for use with your cell phone. Other features include push-button start and remote start, as well as steering wheel mounted audio controls, GPS navigation, the around view backup camera system, plus it has blind spot monitoring, heated steering wheel, power rear liftgate, and more. Give us a call today to set up a time for your test drive. The number is 615-224-8314. We'll see you here at Nissan of Cool Springs. After all, we're the home of the lifetime warranty. Nissan of Cool Springs is proud to announce an easier way to get financing for your next vehicle purchase. Just text the word COOL to 96300 and get pre-approved today.